Hi friends, it's Miss Julie, and today we're going to talk more about addition, adding things together. And today we're going to use groups. We've been using groups, but today we're going to use groups of two different things. We're going to use groups of stuffed animals and groups of toy cars. And to add, first we have to find out how many are in each group. And then we can add the groups together. And when we add, we know we make it bigger, right? That's right, so bigger. So let's get started with our stuffed animals. Today we're going to have 3. Let's count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Can you see 1, 2, 3 stuffed animals? Okay? And look, I have the number 3 to match. We'll put that right there. Okay? So we know that we have 3 stuffed animals. Over here, we have our toy cars. We're going to have 4 toy cars. Ready? 1, whoopsie, 2, 3, 4. 4 toy cars. There's our number 4. That might look a little bit different than the 4 that you make, but it's still the number 4. Okay. Now, friends, I also have something very special that I made today, and that is the plus sign. When you're adding or making bigger, you use a plus sign. Sort of looks like a little T, but it's called plus or addition. So we're going to put that in the middle. And this says, oops, let me make it a little higher so it's all even. This says 3 plus or adding 4. 3 plus 4. I also have another special sign. This is called the equal sign. When you're doing an addition problem, you put the equal sign at the end, and it tells you 3 plus 4 equals, what will that equal? That's the question right now. So we're going to add these together to find out what it equals. Ready? Let's count together. Miss Julie's going to use our weather pointer stick because it was sitting right here handy for me. All right, let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, which one of those groups are bigger, friends? Is the group of 3 bigger, or is the group of 4 bigger? I'll let you think. If you said the group of 4 is bigger, you are right. And we know that when we are adding, we always start with the biggest group and we add on from there, right? So we're going to start with our biggest group, which is 4. So we'll start with the number 4 and we're going to add on. 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you see how I did that? We started with our big group, which is 4. And we're going to start counting from there. So we had our 4, 5, 6, 7. Friends, 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now you might have thought it would be easier if I put the bigger group over here. Let's try that, okay? But we see that 3 plus 4 equals 7. All right, we're going to take those down for a minute. And let's take, oops, I took the wrong one down. Let's try it this way and see if it makes a little bit more sense for you. All right, let's do our animals. Ready? Let's say today we still have 3 animals. Friends, what number do you think I should put up here with our addition problem? 1, 2, 3. 3. All right, 3 is going up. Now, let's say toy cars, we have how many, friends? 2, that's right. So we'll put the number 2. Now, let's solve our addition problem. We want to know how many toys total we have. We always start with the bigger group. So let's look at our groups for a minute. In the animal group, we have 3 animals. In the car group, we have 2 cars. Which is bigger? 3 or 2? If you said 3 is bigger, you're right. So we're going to start here. We're going to start with our 3 and we're going to add on. That means starting at the 3 and adding on from there. So 3, 4, 5. Did you see how I did that? We started with our big group of 3 and we add on 2 more. So 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. That's right, friends. In this addition problem, we have 5 total toys. All right, let's do one more, okay? Let's do one more. How about in this one, we do how many animals, friends? Just 1. All right, we'll put the number 1 up there. And for the cars, let's do whoops. All right, friends, how many cars do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 cars. All right. Let's do the addition problem. We need to know how many toys 1 plus 4 equals. Now, remember we start with the biggest group, and the biggest group, which is it? It's the cars. That's right, and we know there are 4 cars. So we're going to start with our 4, and we're going to add 1 more. 4, 5. That's right, friends. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Good job! Woohoo! Pat your shoulder, kiss your brain. That's really good thinking, friends. Now, you can keep practicing your adding anytime you want to at home. You could do it lots of different ways. You could do it with your toys. You could do it when you're eating your breakfast. You could do it when you're taking a walk. Whatever you want to do, you can work on adding, making things bigger. Okay? So I'm excited to hear. Maybe you want to have your mom or your dad share with Miss Julie what you did to work on your adding, your addition today. All right. Bye, friends.